The amount of Coca-Cola in a bottle can be modeled as a normal distribution with a mean of 500 ml and a standard deviation of 3 ml. The bottles with the bottom 10% of volume will be destroyed and remade. What is the maximum amount of Coca-Cola in a bottle that will be destroyed? This is an inverse normal question where we've been given the probability and we need to go backwards and find what the upper or lower bound should be, respectively. The first things first is we need to get to the setting in the calculator that lets us do that. So we go to stat, which is 2, click that. Distributions F5, click that. Normal, F1, click that. And now inverse normal is F3, click that. Leaves us with this setting here. That's the first part done. Now the second thing is we need to sort of figure out from the question, where are we looking? That'll help us give us the specific bound and the other numbers will fall into place. So if we go back to this, it says that the bottom 10% of volume will be destroyed and remade. So we need to look from the left, 10%. So the area would be 10%, which you convert to decimals would be 0.1. And the graph should look more like this, where you're looking for the red region right here. And that gives you all the information to put in from the questions here. So you know the mean and standard deviation are 500 ml and 3 ml respectively. We're going to plug those into the calculator right here. Mean is 500. Standard deviation is 3. We know the tail is left because it's the bottom 10%. So the tail is left as it is here. And the area is 0.1 because it's the bottom 10%, which we convert to decimal. It'll be 0.1. So the area is 0.1. All the numbers are in place now. All we need to do is simply click execute. And that gives us the X value, which is the bound of 496 ml.155345. And that is the answer that we're after. So in context, it would be something like the maximum amount of Coca-Cola in a bottle that will be destroyed is 496.155345 ml.